Hello people, Keilot has extended its solutions to the coastal region of Kenya, and today we are in Kilifi town. We are going to hear a testimonial from one of the beneficiaries in the region.
My name is David Yereri from Kilifi County, staying at Ukombozi Estate. The reason why I decided to have biogas in my compound is because life is becoming very hard. Buying gas nowadays is very expensive. In 2 months, I use 13 kgs of normal gas. Charcoal, 1 bag is going for 800 shillings. I'm spending 5 bags per month. So in a total, I'm spending more than 120,000 per year. Unlike the biogas, whereby it's multi-purpose, I will use it in all sorts of cooking. I have customers who are also my fellow farmers who normally buys manure from my shamba, and I normally sell them 500 shillings per ton. From the fertilizer meant by the biogas, I'll be selling at 2 shillings per liter. And the good thing with the fertilizer coming from the biogas is that you use it directly to the farm to affect your crops. Yeah, so it's adding value. So apart from cutting the costs for my expenditure, again, biogas is pure. It's coming directly from the biogas, unlike the other gases which have the mixture, and it can cost somebody the life, health, and deforestation. If everybody can have biogas, we will save the forest through burning the charcoal, and the environment will be okay. The good thing with Keilot home biogas is that when they are installing for you, they also train you how to do it. You work together until the last process. They train you on how to use it, how to feed it, and up to the last process of selling the fertilizer. So far, I have more than 5 farmers who normally buy manure from me, and it's always good for them to know all about the Keilot home biogas because they'll be saving a lot. And I've talked to a few of them, and they are very much interested.
And just like Mr. David from Kilifi, you can also convert to clean cooking and get free fertilizer. For more information, you can contact us at 0111 212 242. If you are in the coastal region, email us at jc@keilot.co.ke or info@keilot.co.ke. We are located in Laxcon Plaza, Parklands, Nairobi. Until next time, bye bye.